Headache, causes, types, complications, and effective management. What is a headache? A headache is a common neurological symptom characterized by pain in the head, scalp, or upper neck. It can be mild or severe and may indicate an underlying condition. Headaches arise due to activation or irritation of pain-sensitive structures, including blood vessels, nerves, and surrounding tissues. Pathogenesis of headache. Headache pain occurs when nociceptive pain pathways in the brainstem, meninges, or cranial nerves are activated. This can be due to inflammation, muscle contraction, vascular dilation, or abnormal neurotransmitter release. In conditions like migraines, cortical spreading depression, CSD, and trigeminovascular activation play key roles. Types of headaches. Tension headache, caused by stress or muscle strain, presenting as a dull, bilateral tightening pain. Migraine, a neurovascular disorder with unilateral, pulsating pain, often accompanied by nausea, photophobia, and aura. Cluster headache, severe, unilateral pain around the eye, associated with autonomic symptoms like tearing and nasal congestion. Sinus headache, occurs due to sinus inflammation, leading to facial pressure and pain. Rebound headache, results from chronic overuse of analgesics, leading to a cycle of recurring headaches. Thunderclap headache, a sudden, intense headache that may indicate a serious condition like subarachnoid hemorrhage. Complications of chronic or severe headaches. Medication overuse headache, more frequent painkiller use can worsen headaches. Chronic migraine, untreated migraines can become chronic, occurring 15+ days per month. Neurological impairments, severe headaches, e.g., migraines with aura, increase the risk of stroke. Mental health effects, persistent headaches can lead to anxiety and depression. Vision and sensory disturbances, migraines may cause temporary visual loss or dizziness. Brain hemorrhage risk, thunderclap headaches may indicate life-threatening conditions. Management of headaches, tension headache, stress reduction, physical therapy, NSAIDs, ibuprofen. Migraine, avoid triggers, use triptans or CGRP inhibitors, maintain sleep and hydration. Cluster headache, oxygen therapy, sumatriptan injections, verapamil for prevention. Sinus headache, treat sinus infection with decongestants, antihistamines, or antibiotics. Rebound headache, gradual withdrawal of painkillers under medical supervision. Thunderclap headache, immediate medical attention to rule out hemorrhage or stroke. Seek medical advice if headaches are persistent, severe, or associated with neurological symptoms like vision loss, weakness, or confusion.